Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe SE. This 4-door SUV has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Hyundai has less than 167,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.